As building standards increase and the demand for space heating decreases, domestic hot water demands become more relevant. Therefore, time-resolved load profiles for the hot water demand are central for the planning of district energy systems. In this video I show you how you can create load profiles for domestic hot water in nPro with just a few clicks. Hi and welcome to this nPro tutorial. I'm Marco, and in this video we create load profiles for domestic hot water with an hourly resolution for a building and a district. Let's have a look at how that works in nPro.
I'm now on the start page of the tool. I click on load profiles and heat network on new project, and here you can choose the location. I stick with Berlin, Germany, and create a new project. And here we can define a new building. So we can enter building name, define the floor area, and say which building type we want to simulate. I want to simulate a hotel building, let's say a new build. I click on insert default values, and now from the database of nPro we are it selects the corresponding value for the specific annual demand for domestic hot water for a typical hotel building, for new hotel building in Berlin. I will now deactivate the space heating demand so that we can see a bit better the profile later. And on the setting you can also modify the day profiles. The day profiles are used to create the load profiles later on. So there's a day profile for Monday to Friday, one for Saturday, and one for Sunday and holiday. Now I click on calculate demand profiles and say show hourly profiles. And here we see the domestic hot water load profile. It has a seasonal profile, so in summer it's a bit less, and in winter it's a higher demand. And we can zoom into it and see that there are this characteristic load profiles that we could expect from a hotel building. And here on the bottom we see in the heat map plot also the distribution over the year. So hours of the day plotted against the day of the year. I click on close and now add building to district. And now it takes us up to the building list. And now we have a first building here, building 1, it's a hotel. With the heating, cooling and electricity demands. We can here modify the building, delete the building, but also have another look at the KPIs and also plot the different demand profiles if we want to do that. But we can also download the load profiles as an Excel file just for this building, or if we have multiple buildings in the district, we can click on download results and then choose, for example, an Excel file with a summary or CSV file. Then you get for every building the load profiles. You can choose different time resolutions, so hourly, daily or monthly, and different formats for the CSV file.
If you have any questions or remarks about this video, feel free to leave a comment. If the video was helpful for you, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your interest and see you next time.